Alrighty, we're back here in Madden Mobile with another video here, and trying out some new voice something or other. So let's go. I think I have 19 packs for you to open. Yeah, they're not really that good. Just get some recycle packs, live events, and a couple pro packs and player packs and stuff. So, I'm going to select the live event ones, and I'm going to select these player ones. It's not sure the order they'll come in. Hopefully it goes like 70, 75, 80 pro packs. So, we've selected all. I don't feel like we're going to pull anything good here. Just trying out this voice thing for the first time. Recycle pack, probably nothing good. Yep, 2,000 coins, not much. What do we have next? Win pack. Oh, I like doing these. They give you two 63 pluses and two 60 pluses. So if you just need a couple silver players, it's good to do that, and it's 20 stamina. First win pack should give me a player. Yep, 78. This one's the 3,000 coins, I think. Yep. The playoff. This is the rookie pack, which contains two 65 pluses. Yeah, oh, they might have done it right. 70s first. Probably nothing good. Yep. I think I got, I don't know, I think I got 370 plus packs. Yep, I did. So pulled garbage out of that, which the chances are probably low to get anything good. 75 plus player packs, and oh, holy crap. Ezekiel Elliott, 83 overall pull from 75 plus. 80 plus player pack. Telvin Smith, not that good. Give me something good. And nope, Josh Rosen. Pro packs have really been bad. Like, back in the good Madden Mobile days, they'd guaranteed a gold or something. And these ones are pretty bad. You're lucky to get a gold out of these. So, yeah. So they're pretty bad packs. Just get rid of these. Oh, got a gold. Oh, 79. Almost an 80 yet, boys. Last pro pack here. And garbage, yep. Now we got this, which guarantees us 75 plus, yeah. And junk. So, yeah. So now we're going to move on to some other packs. We have the New York Plus pack. I got these for free for some reason. They were so good. Yeah. Pull a ton of 80 pluses, 79s. Yeah. Ton of good pulls here. They helped a lot towards the freeze sets and the ultimate freeze sets, that type of stuff. Yeah, still going. You guys are probably gonna be like, I've already told a couple people about this, but you're like, there's no way you got it for free, and I logged in and it was just on my account. So I don't know. Yeah, this one I don't think was that good. Eric Freeze plus pack. I think I pulled an 88 punter in this one, but I'm not sure. Oh no, this is the one I pulled that 90. There we go, in the 88 punter. So, yeah, just a ton of elites and stuff. It's pretty insane. Like, I don't even know, was this even a, oh, jeez, I'm crow, I forgot I pulled those. Oh man, that was a good pack, holy crap. Wow. This pack doesn't look good at all. NFL 100, yeah. This pack is garbage. Not getting anything. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa. Holy, what a pull.